Funniest part about becoming a profitable trader is that when you're on the come up, when you're first learning how to trade, everyone is going to doubt you. They're going to tell you that you're gambling, that you're going to lose all your money, that most traders fail. But once you actually learn it, and once you start making money and you're living a true life of freedom, all of those same people are going to come back into your life and ask you to teach them. The harsh reality about life is that a lot of people are unfortunately selfish, and a lot of people don't want to see you succeed. And they don't want to see you succeed with trading because it's going to change their entire perspective about their own life. You making money from the markets a few hours per day and not having a boss invalidates everything that those people were taught their entire life, where you have to go to school and drop tens of thousands of dollars on a college education. Then you need internships. Then you get a job. Then you save in your 401k. And if you're lucky, you get a couple of promotions every few years. At first, you potentially succeeding with trading is going to cause other people to be envious, and they're going to start questioning their own reality and their own decisions in their life. And when they actually see you succeed and start making money, they're going to feel FOMO. And that's why they're going to come back in your life and they're going to ask you to teach them. And at that point, well, it's up to you to actually teach them or not. Best thing you could do in the beginning is to honestly not tell anyone and just work in silence. Let me know in the comments if you resonate with this.